Hey, thanks for making it to Veterans Info Tap. I'm glad you made it. Look, the VA, or the VHA, actually, the Veterans Health Administration, which again, for those that don't know, the VA is broken into a three-headed monster. You got VHA, which is the Healthcare Administration, VBA, which is the Benefits Administration, and National Cemeteries. So the Healthcare Administration, VHA, has a partnership with Uber in order to get veterans to and fro with their health appointments. So VHA-Uber Health Connect expands veterans' access to transportation. This is really a big deal. You know, many of us who can drive and have, reliable means of transportation take for granted, just jump in and go to your VA appointment. For those that can't, it can become very burdensome in order to get to and from your appointments. If you're relying on the VA van or shuttles, those types of things, there's long wait times. I mean, it takes all day to get to and from an appointment. It could take you hours to get there and hours to get back, waiting on different buses and so forth. So this Uber partnership really helps to circumvent some of that. So hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share with a friend, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. If you're not a member, consider it. It helps the channel, and I can find your information quicker in the comments due to that little emblem next to your name. So let's go ahead and jump into this. This is directly from the VA's website, a news release here. And again, the title is VHA-Uber Health Connect expands veterans' access to transportation. Program aims to eliminate transportation as a barrier to veteran health care. So August 8th is when this came out, and we'll go ahead and jump into it here. So transportation remains one of the greatest barriers to increasing veterans' access to health care. Veterans may face a wide range of transportation challenges, ranging from not having access to transportation to relying on a caregiver who may be unavailable, or to needing a long distance drive to their nearest VA. Following a successful pilot at 10 VA medical centers in 2022, the VHA/Uber Health Connect initiative is now expanding to 60 new VAMCs, the medical centers, to continue addressing this challenge. Eligible veterans in 18 states and Puerto Rico will have access to supplemental transportation to and from their medical care, expanding access to the soonest and best care. The start of the VHA-Uber Health Connect initiative, in collaboration with VHA Innovation Ecosystem, the Veteran Transportation Program, and Uber Health, VUHC, first launched across 10 VAMCs between January 2022 and April 2023. Dr. Sandal started VUHC as a 2021 Entrepreneur in Residence Fellow with VHAIE. All these acronyms. The program proved a success with more than 32,000 rides completed across over 450,000 miles. That's a lot. My main goal was to improve veterans' mobility. Experience and access to care. But there was the added bonus of saving VA money with this program. Dr. Sandal, National Lead for VUHC and Chief of Innovation at James A. Haley VA in Tampa, Florida. Survey feedback from 2,300 participants shows that 83% of veterans would not have been able to access their medical care without the VUHC program. That's huge. The program reaches phase 2. Since expanding in April 2023, VA staff have been eager to offer the program as another means of transportation for eligible veterans. Jennifer Garib, Assistant Director for Malcolm Randall VA in Gainesville, Florida, said, "I first heard about the program a year ago, and I knew we had to have this program at our facility. I'm very excited to have it here in Gainesville." From April to June 2023, VUHC completed more than 5,700 rides, making an immediate and tangible impact on veterans' access to care. We are seeing an incredible impact already. Facilities in Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, and Southern Nevada have already reached over 600 rides in those 3 months alone, said Dr. Sandal. Helping veterans reach their VA care. Veterans continue to share positive feedback about their VUHC experience. One veteran at South Texas VA said, "The flexibility to request a ride when I am ready with a quick turnaround has been a game changer for me as an elderly veteran." Ishmael Kawaka, mobility manager of Pittsburgh VA, credited the early success of the program to teamwork, including his facility's transportation staff, who worked carefully to ensure a smooth rollout. As the program expands, more veterans across the country will have increased access to reliable transportation and fewer barriers to care. Eligible veterans needing access to and from medical care may contact their primary beneficiary travel point of contact to learn more about the VHA-Uber Health Connect initiative at their facility. Want to learn more about innovation at VA? Visit their website, subscribe to the newsletter, and visit VA Pathfinder to learn more about their opportunities. That concludes that article. But again, the big key here is for those that rely on others to get them to their VA appointments, or rely on the VA or DAV vans or whatever other sort of van ride programs are out there. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time, and I know firsthand, working with individuals, that a van ride may have 6 or 7 stops where you're picking up other veterans, so you have to be there. And maybe if you're the starting point, you have to be there at 5 in the morning, and the van picks you up at 5:15, and bam, you're off. And then you're hitting these other stops, and then you make maybe an hour or an hour and a half trek to the VA Medical Center through traffic and what have you. And then not only that's the problem of getting there. Then the problem is the getting back piece. So you have to be back on the bus at a certain time. So you're under a lot of pressure and stress while you're at your medical appointment saying, hey, I need to get in and out of here as quickly as possible, or I'm going to miss my ride back to wherever I'm from. So this will eliminate a lot of that, is what I see. And time is precious, and it'll make it a lot easier for our vets who need assistance getting to and from their appointments to be able to have this type of an initiative. So this is rolling out in 60 new locations. I'm guessing it's 60 plus the 10 that have already been in existence. So it's 70 locations. That's huge. So wanted to get this information out there to you. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share with a friend, all that good stuff. I appreciate it. And remember, if we don't take care of each other, something went wrong.